Hello guys, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you, I want to make a wall panel with curved design, like this image. Okay, this image like that. Okay, first come to customize, then system cabinet. Come here, press here. Okay, press this part. Okay, select this super board. Okay, drag and drop here, like this. Okay, come here, change the width to 2000. Okay, then press B button. Okay, right click, panel point editing. Okay, select this one. Okay, press delete button. Okay, now I'm going to draw. Come here, this draw button. Press this draw. Select this one. Okay, here I set 50. Okay, come here to 350. From here draw to here. From here 400. And draw like this. Okay, come to this button 1. Okay, from here I come choose this chamfer button. Press this. Okay, radius I set to 200. Okay, number of curve I set around 20. Okay, like this. Then try to move this. Okay, quite hard to snap. Okay, from here I change to 0. Okay, like this. Okay, from here press save and then press return. Okay, it will come out like this. Okay, then select the board, the height. Okay, I set to 1500. Okay, like this. This one I set to 0 to position it like this. Okay, then from here 9005 I set around 1000 like this. Okay, okay, now from here we're going to add a light. Okay, here press return, come to cloud. Okay, come to lighting. Okay, go fill light. Okay, second one. Okay, from here we have to hold control button and drag the light out like this. Okay, don't leave your control button and position it. Okay, I position like this. Okay, like this. Right, then press C button to scale it. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, so from here I'm going to shift drag out like that. Okay, change the length. Okay, to 100. Okay, reposition it for the left side like this. Okay, rotate. Okay, rotate it like this. Okay, reposition it. Okay, like this. So I scale a bit, press C button to scale. Okay, like this. Okay, now I shift shift move, so it duplicate. Change the size. Okay, set to 50. Move the position. I rotate this to make a curved light. Okay. Oh yeah, hold control button, don't let go. Okay, rotate, drag, move, reposition it. Okay, like this. Reposition everything like this. Okay, position until nicely. Okay, now I'm going to select everything and group it. Okay, press Ctrl G. Rename your light if you want. Okay, from here I'm going to hold shift button and move it down. Oh yeah, and control button also. Then move down here and readjust it. I set my camera first. Okay, readjust like this. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to put texture. Change the texture to white color. Okay. Select the board. Select this material. Okay. Change the texture. Okay. Here. Okay. Select this one white color. Okay. Change the texture like the image. Okay. I'm going to put one TV. Okay. From cloud here. Domestic. Okay. Television. Press Control. Put like this. Yeah. Done. There. You got your curved wall panel with light. Alright. Thank you everyone. Bye.